Hi, I'm Hina and welcome to my page where I will be posting a recipe video every day. And this is recipe number 123, chicken tikka resha kebabs. Resha means shredded, and using shredded chicken gives these kebabs an amazing texture. This is one of my go-to recipes for family functions. It's always a hit and everyone loves it. I promise if you serve these at a dinner party, your guests will be asking for more. They're super easy and delicious to make. All you need to do is boil some potatoes, cook your marinated chicken, and then shred it. Then combine everything with herbs and spices. Shape and then cook for just 3 to 4 minutes, and that's it. Quick, simple, and packed with flavor.